Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the fuel filter on BMW 320d E46 model. The fuel filter is located underneath the car, just down there above this plastic cover. So first we start by removing the plastic cover. And that's the fuel filter right there. First we start by loosening the two brackets on the two fuel lines on the two sides of the fuel filter. Now we can remove the fuel lines on both sides and remove the fuel filter. Now we can put on the new fuel filter. Next we'll go into the car and we'll turn the ignition on and off about 10 times to let the supply fuel pump prime the fuel system, and then after about 10 times of turning the ignition on and off we can start the car. And that's it, car has started, we're done. Thank you for watching.